Hi everyone, it's Sandhya. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be minimal everyday makeup tutorial. So let's get started. So starting my makeup with this Maybelline Fit Me primer. This one is their dewy variant जो कि स्किन को थोड़ा सा हाइड्रेशन प्लस शीन लुक प्रोवाइड करता है. I personally like this primer very much. After that I'm going to apply foundation and again I'm going to use my all-time favorite, that is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan. Now this shade is slightly lighter than my skin tone because currently I am a little bit tanned. So थोड़ा सा लाइट लग रहा है बट इट विल ऑक्सीडाइज एंड काइंड ऑफ मैचेस टू माई नेक, सो इट विल like work on my skin. So first I've dotted it all over my face and after that I'm going to blend this using this damp beauty blender. This beauty blender is from Mr. DIY and ये काफ़ी affordable भी था, so I will definitely recommend you all to buy this one. So I'm going to dab this all over my face until मेरा पूरा face अच्छे से इस foundation से cover हो जाए seamlessly. So as you guys can clearly see मेरे most of the like जो pigmentation and everything था वो cover हो गया है. Now I'm going to apply some concealer under my eyes. Now I don't have any dark circles का issue, but I just wanted to brighten up my under eye area. So for that here I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel. This shade is slightly on the yellower side, so ये थोड़ा सा brighten up look देता है. So I'm going to apply this under my eyes and all the areas where I feel that my pigmentation or blemishes are still peeking through my foundation. And now I'm going to blend this concealer using my fingertips because अगर मैं brush से इसे like blend करूँगी या beauty blender से, then it will eat most of the product and उतना coverage नहीं देगा. So that's why I'm going to blend this concealer using my finger only. So our base is done and now I'm going to like set everything using this Maybelline Fit Me compact. Now I'm not going to go all over my face. I'm just going to set my under eye area and the smile lines and also my upper lips area because I tend to sweat a lot. So yeah, after that I am going to apply this lip and cheek tint from Cleanstar. Now I am going to take a little bit of this tint and apply on my cheeks. This one is very good for a daily purpose because ये काफ़ी easily blend हो जाता है and also बहुत ही ज़्यादा like चटाक type का look नहीं देता है. It is kind of subtle and also this particular color suits Indian skin tone or brown skin tone really well. Then I'm going to apply this same tint on my eyes as well. Now I'm not going to use this tint on my lips because my lips are slight bit pigmented and this will not show on my lips. So I'm just going to apply this on my eyes and cheeks only. So after that I'm going to use this Maybelline Colossal Mascara and I'm going to coat my eyelashes. Now this mascara is almost dried up, so it's not showing like too much of the voluminous effect, but still I like this to use on an everyday basis because it doesn't cling your eyelashes. Now coming to the last part of this makeup tutorial, that is lipstick. So first I'm going to like rub my lips so that जो भी मैंने lip balm लगाया था that all goes away, otherwise my lipstick will not stay for longer time. First I'm going to take this Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut and I'm going to outline my lips and as well as fill in using this lip liner only, and after that I'm going to smudge it using my finger. After that I'm going to take this Blue Heaven lipstick. The shade is Choco Swirl, sorry I mistyped it. So I'm going to apply this on my lips. This is kind of a pink mauve shade with brown undertone and I really like this on the dusky skin tone. This is a very subtle type of pink, so it is really good for everyday basis. So this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. I love doing these kind of tutorials. Do let me know if you want to watch more of these and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.